Good morning, students. In this video I am going to read and explain lesson 2, Lessons in the Jungle, and will come to know which animals taught Mowgli the law of jungles to remain safe in the jungle. As the years passed, Mowgli grew up with the wolf cubs. Do you all remember? In the last chapter, Mowgli was accepted as a wolf cub by the council pack. So he grew up with the wolf cub. Father Wolf taught him the sounds of the jungle. Now who taught sounds of the jungle? Father Wolf to Mowgli. Mowgli came to understand every noise in the grass, every call of every owl and bat, and every splash of every fish in the pond. Now Mowgli came to understand all the sounds, like sounds, every sound in the grass, then every call of every owl, every call of every owl and bat, and every splash of every movement of every fish in the pond. When he was not learning, at the time when he was not learning, what was he doing? He sat out in the sun and slept and ate and went to sleep again. When he felt dirty and hot, when he felt hot and when he was dirty, what he used to do? He swam in the jungle ponds. Balu taught him the honey and nuts were just as pleasant as meat. Means Balu taught honey and nuts are also as pleasant, as tasty as meat. You don't have to eat meat eat meat only. You can eat honey and nuts for your benefit, for your tastiness. You don't have to be non-veg. You can be veg and enjoy honey and nuts. You don't always need to hunt. Nuts and honey are good. You too, if you know where to look. Means if you know where you can find out nuts and honey, it is very good. It's not always you have to hunt for any animal to fill your stomach. Bagheera showed him how to climb the trees to get them. Now get what? Nuts and honey. Now who taught to climb the trees? Bagheera. Come up, little brother, let me show you how to do it. Now he became very good at climbing and soon swung from tree to tree as freely as any great ape. Ape is and monkey like animal without tail. Now Bagheera taught Mowgli climbing from one tree to another tree, and he became very good. He became very good in it and started climbing, and soon started swinging from one tree to another tree very freely. Mowgli took his place with the wolves at council pack. Means he also started sitting with the council pack and started becoming a member of it. They were his pack and he believed he was one of them. Now council pack also started believing that Mowgli is one of their member. Mowgli, however, was young and he saw everything as a game. Now Mowgli was very young, very small, so he took everything as a game. He could be naughty, he could be kind. At sometimes he used to be very naughty, at sometimes he used to be very kind. He discovered that he could look straight into the eyes of the wolves and make them turn their eyes away from him. Means sometimes he can look in the eyes of the wolves and frighten them, and they move away or turn their eyes away from him. At other times, he picked thorns out of their feet. Means other times he used to be very kind and he used to pick thorns out of the wolves' feet. By night, he went down the hillside to the village and watched the villagers from a distance. At night, what did Mowgli do? He used to go down the hillside to the village and watch the villagers, because village was there and villagers were there. So Mowgli used to watch those villagers from a distance, from a far off place. During the night, Bagheera taught him to hunt for food in the jungle. Now, Bagheera learned how to hunt for food in the jungle at night. Hunting was for food only, never for fun. Bagheera taught Mowgli to hunt only for food and not for fun. And never kill cows, young or old. You are not supposed to kill any cow. For a bull was the price I paid for you. Remember, Bagheera gave a bull for the life of Mowgli. That is the law of the jungle. Means if I have saved your life or if I have bought your life for something, you are not supposed to kill that animal. Mother Wolf warned him too about Sher Khan. Now Mother Wolf warned Mowgli about Sher Khan. You cannot trust the tiger. One day you must kill him. Mother Wolf told Mowgli to kill Sher Khan when he grows up. Other years and other lessons in the jungle were easier. Mowgli loved better than anything to go into the warm, dark heart of the jungle with Bagheera or Balu. Mowgli loved better than anything means Mowgli loved it most. What Mowgli loved the most? To go into the warm, dark heart of the jungle, deep inside the jungle with Bagheera or Balu. The big old brown bear was happy to have a quick pupil. Now this big old brown bear, Bagheera was very happy to have, Balu was very happy to have this quick pupil. This small human cub. Who is this big old brown bear? Balu. Balu was very happy to have a quick pupil. The boy could climb almost as well as he could swim and swim almost as well as he could run. He could run. Means Mowgli was perfect in climbing, swimming and running. Balu taught him the wood and water laws. By the law of the jungle, when there is little water, no animal can kill another at the drinking places. Water is more important than food and in difficult times. Now what is the wood and water laws? It is by the law of the jungle, when there is little water, there is no water in the jungle, no animal can kill another animal at drinking places. Why? Because all the animals come at the drinking places. So there nobody is supposed to kill anybody else for their hunt. Why? Because water is more important than food in difficult times. When there is less of water or there is drought, then only water is more important, not the food. So nobody is supposed to kill any animal at this time. He also taught him how to speak to all the animals. Mowgli, being a man's child and not a wolf cub, learned quickly and remembered his lessons well. Now, as Mowgli was a human child, he learned quickly and remembered all his lessons well, properly. I'll explain the rest of the lesson in my next video.